It's summertime. Since the start of April 2020, the lockdown continues and the summer begins. People stay at home with nothing to do but wait for the lockdown to end. Summer here in the Philippines will end on May. Being a beachgoer, all I have to do is reminisce what happened last year and all my experiences when going to the beach. So let me share with you some memorable photos and videos on how I spent my past summers on the beach. Enjoy watching! Hi there, YouTubers and other viewers of my account here at YouTube. This is my place. This is one of the 25 barangays of the town of Binalabag here at Camarines Sur, Bicol, Philippines. This is called, guess what? This is the most sought after beach in this side of the world. Yeah, I can probably say that this is in my home place. This is located in my home place. This is Bagulatao Beach, the famed White People Beach here in our town, one of the 4 barangays of our coastal area. Yeah. Aside from Bagulatao, we also have San Antonio there. Of course, Salingogon and Hamorawan. If you want to visit our place, you can drop by at Naga City. There are many public utility vehicles that are traveling from here to there to transport local and foreign travelers. Isn't it beautiful? During summer, there are many beachgoers who are visiting this place. I'm just trying to relax my veins here, enjoy the moment, seize the day, carpet jam, so they say. Celebrate this God-given beauty here at Bagulatao, just for a day.